You are off-road! I think he thought I was Italian. And now we're racing a choo-choo! So I blasted up there, right past him. Who walks? K-Mo. Oh, good morning! Good morning, everyone! Good to see ya. Good to have you back on the channel. I hope you're enjoying the series so far. I bloody well know I am. Oh, tight hairpins. I don't know how well travelled this road is. It doesn't look like too many people drive it very often, but I'm still going to be careful. Anyway, good to have you back on the channel. We're still in Italy. I'm around here. Yesterday was a pretty heavy day. It was a bit taxing, but that's okay. That's what we're here for. Here for the good times. I'll tell you what, Italy so far has just absolutely amazed me. It's such an awesome place. And I had an absolutely delicious pizza last night. It was very nice. I wonder if I'll see any Tet riders today or not. Saw a couple yesterday, that was good fun. Bit interesting. None of them stopped and talked to me though. Excuse me? Does it go that way? Is this the road? Interesting. It's got leaves all over it. I think it's very rare that someone actually comes up here. Oh, that's actually dirt. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to change into Enduro mode so I don't get into any trouble. The German police will come after me and say, "Why aren't you in Enduro? You are off-road!" That was my best German. Absolute best. Oh, now I'm back on road. It's kind of split, so I'm going to stay in Enduro for now. Oh, off-road. On-road. Back on road. Ooh, off-road, on-road. It's a little bit of both, yeah? Now, if you guys are thinking about doing the Italian Tet, just remember that distances are extremely deceiving. Very deceiving indeed. So if you think a section is going to take you an hour, probably add an extra hour. Not only because of the distances and whatnot, and the speeds you'll be going, but also you stop so often for the views. You're just sitting there going, wow, wow. So factor that time in. Factor in wow time. It's a good time. Oh, look at that, a mountain biker. Hey, bruh. What a legend. In the middle of the road too. Interesting. Ciao. I think he thought I was Italian with my excellent Italian just then. I don't think he knew the difference. I don't think he was like, oh, that guy was Australian in Italian. Oh, we're back to a road. We are turning right. Is this off-road? Looks it. Ah! Big stones. Nice. I don't know if anyone's been on this road today. I can't really see any tyre marks. Oh, a building. It's a big old building. Really big building. Bloody hell. Does someone live here? Oh, hello, kitty cat. You're so used to people going by. Whoa, that thing's huge. Imagine living there. Got a couple of Tet riders riding past. Although I think the Italian Tet's pretty popular, so in summer you probably get like 100 people a day or something. Oh, what's my foot getting caught on? That! I'd picked up the center stand lever. That was the first. Ooh. Don't overshoot the corner. Ooh. Some more mountain bikers. Today I've only seen mountain bikers. Am I on a mountain bike trail? Ooh. Whoa, vines, don't grab my handlebars, please. That's a no-go. That was private property. I think a lot of people get confused. Oh my god, another huge house. I mean, I'm sure it's like houses together. Oh, big stones. And I was looking at it and I went straight for it because I was staring at it. I was like, oh my god, a big stone. Boom, boom. She's a windy one. Oh, I'm gonna have a sit down. My legs are sore already. I mean, they have to hold up this hunk of meat, so no wonder. Oh, more trees down. Blimey heck. Whoa! Hopefully I can get through. Oh, there's a runner going downhill. What in the world? Better stand up so I don't look like a noob. Ciao! Don't want him to catch up to me, that would be embarrassing. He's cruising though. A little tree across the road. Left. Are we going back uphill now? I mean, obviously right now we are, but yeah, maybe. Ooh. Oh my. I think I'm equipped to tackle most most areas now after yesterday's hill climb. Oh geez, this is steep. Okay baby, let's go. Woo! hill climbs. They were a bit wild. Oh man. Muddy puddles. Oh, nice and muddy. Oh yeah. This is very pretty. Whoa. Whoa. Another one. Ooh. Oh, pothole. Oh, is it hunting season? Bloody hell. I don't want to get shot. Bit muddy. Oh, moss. Moss on the road is scary. Oh, look at that. Back into a town. Wow. Quite often that's how the Tat rides. You ride through a little town, then you find the dirty roads, and then you ride through a little town, and then dirty roads, things like that. It's quite fun. So, just coming out of Lugano, found myself a motorbike to chase. Bit of fun. I was getting very bored. I mean, this is very pretty, very nice to look at, but it was just a very boring road. Oh, I'm not going to overtake there. I don't know what's behind it. I've got to catch up to my buddy. He's getting away. And now we're racing a choo-choo. Choo-choo! That's pretty cool. That train is going about 80 k's an hour. Cool. We are back in Italy now, guys, and unfortunately I'm stuck behind another car. It's annoying. There we go. It happens. Oh, it's very steep. Italia. I'm so stinking hot right now. I wish I had summer gear. Whee, fellas. Scared me. The old mountain bikers. also means maybe I wasn't in the right spot. Fellow Tetters. Have you guys been keeping an eye on my fuel gauge for me? I haven't looked at it in a while. It hasn't plinged at me yet, so let's have a look. Oh my god, 186 k's, loads. See if this guy decides to pull over or not. Go on, bruv, pull over for me. Come on, bruv, pull over for me. Do something. You bastard.
5 minutes later.
So that's the big disadvantage with these small roads. If you get caught behind someone who has no I don't know, courtesy, like it's just courtesy, someone's quicker than you, maybe just pull over for 1 second, just 1 second. Let them go past. I'm a motorbike, I'm obviously quicker than you, you're just driving slow as fuck. Just pull over for a second, let me go past. Anyway, I had to wait until there was a slightly wider section to which they could have pulled over into for a very brief moment. Actually, not even stopped. They could have kept going still in that section. They chose not to. So I blasted up there right past them.
Rage taking over. Yeah. We've had some such before.
Anyway, it's just sometimes people just have no consideration for anyone else. It's like, I understand, you go your pace, absolutely, but if you're gonna go that slow, fucking pull over.
No. Rage really taking over.
Anyway, that's my rave over. My rave. Okay, now my rave's over. Couple of potholy-olies. I'm still on the tet, that's good news. That is good news. A puddle. I don't know where we're going to get to tonight because this has taken longer than I thought. Again. Ooh. And actually I have been going a lot quicker than I thought as well, so that's something. Ooh. Big pothole. Now we've got this mountain to climb. I think we should do it. Like, I'm not going to be back in this area, am I? At least not right this second. Look at all these cars. What are they here for? I think that's the mountain we're going to go up. Looks good. Oh, big ass pothole. Missed it by that much.
Missed it by that much.
bit dodgy when cars want to go up these small roads. Oy. How dare other people choose to go up this road? Hey, how dare? Don't they know that this was made only for Tommy? Hey? Whew. We are high up, baby. And this surface is terrible. Good thing is I can see that there's no cars for now. There's some people walking. Oh my god. The surface is so horrible. This is worse than most dirt roads. Oh. I don't know if there's anything I can do once I get up here. It's just a view. Lots of dedicated people doing a walk. It's a bit wild. Who walks? Crazies. What's going on up here? How you going?
Everything good, thanks. You?
That's not too bad, thanks. Not bad when it's a view like that.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh.
Or it's just a car park? No, it's just a park. Okay. There's after see the view, you should. Yeah, okay. Cheers.
Great views. Not the greatest riding, but still pretty fantastic. Very pretty area. I don't think we're gonna get the ferry across the lake today. I think we're gonna stay somewhere on this side of the lake. It's just getting too late, and then thank you, sir. Yeah, it's getting too late, and I want to do at least one day where I don't have to do like 3 hours in the dark. So I think I'm gonna look for a place just on this side, Girante, something like that, and we'll see how we go. And then in the morning I'll catch a ferry across and complete the rest of that. This is Lake Como. Lago de Como. Anyway, it's busy. There's lots of traffic. We've got the old Honda Goldwing. Honda big fella. He put his foot down. He was nervous. He was nervous. He's got the misso on the back as well though. He's got something to be nervous about. I wonder what he's explaining. Look at the mountain. So tall. If you look to your left, you'll see Lago di Como. Gotta pick your gaps. Como. Lago di Como in my Aussie voice. Anyway, that's where we are. I'm going to stay somewhere here, and then tomorrow morning we'll jump on a ferry and cross over. And then who knows where we'll go. Okay guys, we made it. We are at the place where the ferry leaves to go across Como. And I just got this hotel. It's pretty good. It's not a bad one. Little terrace outside. TV, fridge, and coffee tea. It's quite big actually. This was 83 euros, so not too bad I reckon. Not too bad, and I got breakfast included tomorrow. But the Italian breakfasts are not really that much to be looked at. They're kind of like a croissant with what is it, apricot jam in it. They love their apricot jam. So anyway, that's okay. As long as there's good coffee in the morning, I'm happy. Anyway, I'm gonna have a shower. There's a little pizzeria down the road, maybe 200 meters. I'm gonna eat some pizza tonight, again, because you're in Italy, why not? And yeah, I'm gonna chill out, upload some footage, and away we go tomorrow. Okay, if you liked this video, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
You did a thing. That's what happens when the pizza place isn't near.